Well, I think the donors can play a major role by working together to promote cash transfers. And where we see the most effective programs, it's where the donors have come together. They've harmonized their inputs, harmonized their programming, and also harmonized their funding. And in that way, it's much easier for governments to work with them. And also, you can have much more effective large-scale programming. So I think this whole question of donor coordination around cash transfer provision in terms of supporting national systems is really key.